Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the QubeStove 16 Smart 2-in-1 rotating pizza oven and stove, a 16-inch large cooking phenomenon. And today, we're going to have a friendly competition, testing out the QubeStove for the first time. With the QubeStove, you can have ready-made pizza in just 90 seconds. And with its 16.5-inch stove, the QubeStove is bigger than ever, allowing you to make full-sized pizzas anywhere, anytime.
I have studied my whole life for this moment. Kneading dough in Rome, grew my own herbs in the south of France. Yet I'm still surprised the QubeStove can get up to 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit in only 10 minutes. And I can keep an eye out on my pizza through the 10-inch ceramic glass, making sure it turns out exactly how I want. That way, you all can witness perfection.
When cooking, you have to be light on your feet and improvise. That's why I love the QubeStove, because it comes with an automatic rotating stone giving me the ability to multitask. The automatic rotating stone can cook my pizza evenly without burning the crust. And with its high-gauge stainless steel and fully enclosed double-layer insulation, the QubeStove preserves heat better than ever.
If I want to stand out, I had to cook more than just pizza. With the QubeStove, I can cook my wings, my steaks, and my veggies. And I can cook them all at the same time due to its large size. I can use wood pellets to get that wood fire taste. Or even hook up the gas burner, giving me even more cooking options. The QubeStove is versatile.
Personally, I love how portable the QubeStove is. It's easy to assemble and disassemble with its foldable legs. And it can be detached, so you can take it with you anywhere. You can use the stove on its own, or you can use the wood pellet burner as a bonfire. It's a fun way to get to know each other.
It's time to choose the victor. Each one of you used the QubeStove to create exquisite meals. Therefore, you're all winners in my eyes. And you can be a winner too. Just back us today to receive your very own QubeStove.